In this video, I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy process on how to log in to Monopoly Go application. So in order to do that, first, open the Monopoly Go application on your mobile device. You can also visit the Monopoly game website if you want to go ahead and do it from the website option. Simply tap open Monopoly Go application and this should be the main interface of it. Now allow necessary permissions for the app and then wait for the first screen to load. Now, tap on I agree at the bottom of the page to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy of Monopoly Go. You have two options when it comes to signing into your Monopoly Go account. You can either use the Facebook option or, if you're using an iOS device, select the sign in with Apple option. If you don't want to log in and start playing, you can tap on Play as Guest at the bottom. To log in using your Facebook account, tap on Play with Friends right next to the Facebook logo. Now in the pop-up, tap on Confirm, tap the Continue button and allow Monopoly Go to sign in using your Facebook.com account. Tap on Continue and then follow through the on-screen prompt. You need to log in using your Facebook account, so go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credential in the first text box. Also, type in your password on the next field that is associated with your Facebook account and then tap on the Continue button or the Login button. After you are done, you should be able to find your account. Select your account and then tap on OK. Tap the Load account and then that is how you should be logged in to your Monopoly Go account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.